Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to mathematics class for standard 6th, chapter 1, knowing our numbers, part 2. Students, what you are going to learn from this video? Students, you are going to learn the first exercise of this chapter, how you are going to solve it. In the earlier video, I had already explained that what sort of concepts are there in this chapter. Students, one by one, we are going to see them. The first concept here is about the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Students, up till now, from your earlier classes, you might have learned that how you're going to write a number into number names, right? And that system was Indian system of numeration. But this year, from this chapter, you are going to learn about international system of numeration. Students, very soon you are going to learn that how we are going to compare our Indian system of numeration with the international system of numeration. Students, I hope you will be loving to know that how we Indians are speaking or writing the number names and how the international people do the same, but with a little difference in it. So what we are waiting for? Let's begin. Students, this is your first exercise 1.1. Fill in the blanks. Students, here you are going to write that 1 lakh is equals to how many thousands. So for this, let us see. I am going to explain first of all the positions of the numbers. Positions are nothing but what you know, the place values. I am going to explain the place values and then how to compare and how to observe it. According to give the answer of these blanks, you will soon come to know. Look here, students, I had made some square boxes here. And in these boxes, I am going to write both the systems. Okay, students? So pay attention and look here. I am going to write first the Indian numeration system. Okay, I'm just writing Indian here. You just pay attention here, the space is very less. That's why I have written only Indian. But what you are going to consider? You are going to consider Indian system of numeration, the whole thing. Okay? Now, for Indian numeration system, our first digit is on the place of ones. It is on the place of ones. After that, if 2-digit number is there, then the leftmost is on the position of tens and the right side number is on the position of ones. Suppose if it is 3-digit number, then this position is of 100th. So, third, that is the leftmost number is on the position of 100. The rightmost number will be on the position of ones and the middle number is on the position of tens. And then suppose the number is a 4-digit. It will be 1000. And after 1000, if one more digit is there to the leftmost, then it is 10,000. Now suppose the position, the numbers are big. They are more than 5 or 7 digits number. Then what we are going to do? So I am going to explain about every place value here in the boxes. So ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. These two numbers are taken together. Okay, students? After 1000 completes, the position is of lakh. Lakh is also having two positions. If it is 1 digit, it will come under lakh. And if the number is of 2 digit, it will come under 10 lakh and lakh. Okay students, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. But if more than 10 lakh is there, what you are going to do? Then the position is of correct, crore. Even the crores are having 2 digits. So if it is only 1 digit number, it will come under crore, and if it is 2 digit number, it will come under 10 crore. Now, suppose even the number is that big that even the crores are not sufficient, the boxes we need more, that means the place values we need more. So what about after crores? What we have? After crore, what we have? We have Arabs. Yes, we have Arab. So, as we have lakh and 10 lakh, 2 numbers, we have crores and 10 crore, 2 digits places, that means 2 positions are there, 2 place values are there. In the similar manner for Arabs also, we have 2 place values. One is Arab, and if 2 digit Arab is there, then we will say 10 Arabs. And not yet we have one more new, name that even the digits are more than this. Then we come to Kharab. This is what Indian numeration system is there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 grouped together. Okay, these are grouped together. Lakh, 10 lakh grouped together. Crore, 10 crore grouped together. Arab, 10 Arabs grouped together. And Kharab, 10 Kharab. Still I have not taken 10 Kharab. So let us stop here at Kharab. So this is what Indian numeration system is there. Now let us see about international numeration system. I am writing it here. I'm just writing international. So what you are going to consider? You will consider the whole name, that is International System of Numeration. Understood? Now look here. As Indians are having the first number towards the right side as ones position, in the similar manner, international also have ones. Indian numeration system has second position as tens. We are in international also, it is tens. In Indian numeration system, third number comes under the position or place value of 100. In the similar manner, it is there in international system of numeration. This is place value of 100. Here it is 1000. Here it will be, yes, it will be 1000. Very good. Okay, then comes position of 10,000. It is same as Indian numeration system. Here also 10,000. And here it comes lakh. But you know, the change actually starts from lakh. This international system does not have or does not stops on 10. It goes to one more number, that is, or one more place value, that is called as 100,000. So we have in Indian numeration system, the position of thousands are having only 2 digits. But in international numeration system, the position of thousands are actually grouped together in 3 numbers, that is 100,000, 10,000s and only thousands. They are not confined to 2 digit. They are for 3 digits in international numeration system. Okay. And then comes after 1000. It's not lakh. International system does not have the numeration as lakh, crore, Arabs and so on. It is there only in Indian. For international numeration system, they have a new numerology, that is millions. So as soon as the 1000 ends, the millions place values starts. Again, they don't limit themselves to 2 digit. For international system, they have limited for 3 digits. So if this is million, what will be this place value? This will be, very good, 10 million. And after 10 million, it will be, very good, 100 million. Okay, so this is how 3 numbers are taken together for international system of numeration, and for Indian numeration system, first 3 they take the group of 3, but after that 2 goes on. And in international system, beginning only they take 3, right, as we do, but the rest of all are also grouped in 3 digits. Okay, so after million they have trillion. So this is TRILLION, trillion. Then it will be 10 trillion, billion, not trillion, it will be billions. Extremely sorry, it will be billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. After billion comes the trillions. Okay, so let me say once again. For international numeration system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then comes million, 10 million, 100 million, and then the 3 place values for billions. So billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay students, so our first exercise is 1.1, which is actually beginning with fill in the blanks. Students, here you have to write that 1 lakh is equals to how many 10,000s. So for that, I am going to show you again what I have explained just now. See this. It has been asked that 1 lakh is actually equals to how many thousands. So that you have to compare that if you are going to make this lakh in thousands, it will be actually asking you about the international system. So 1 lakh is having 5 zeros, right? So it will be equals, this one is, and this column is the same. So 1 lakh is actually equals to 100 thousands. That means 100 hundreds, right? So this is 100 with 3 zeros. So what it will be? It will be 100,000. Which column it is? Thousands column. And this is 100 thousands. So here we have to write 10 thousands. So how many tens are there? So in 100, how many tens are there? This is 1 0 for 1 10 and another 0 for another 10. So in 100, there are 10 tens. So here what we are going to write? 10,000. Understood student? Now let us go for 1 million is equals to how many 100,000s. So again I am going to show you this. It is 1 million. So million is here, right? 1 million and then rest of all are zeros. It has been asked that 1 million is equals to how many 100,000. So how many 100,000? So these are all thousands. Now we are going to count them in thousands, right? This is from 1 million to thousands. How many thousands are there? 100,000s are there. So for 100, if you are going to cut 2 zeros, 1 0 is left. That means 110 is left. That is 10, 100, thousands. So 1 million is actually equals to 10, 100, thousands. वापस से समझाती हूँ मैं कि अगर आपको 1 लाख को थाउजेंड्स में पूछा हो और 10,000s में पूछा है, या पहला वाला जो आपका है 1 लाख इज इक्वल्स टू डैश 10,000, तो आप क्या कीजिएगा, आप सिर्फ 1000 का कॉलम देखिएगा इतना, और इसमें देखिए कि आप कितने जीरोज हैं, राइट। आप 10 के लिए 1 0 कट कर दीजिएगा और 100 के लिए 2। तो यहाँ पर इसने इस थाउजेंड्स को कितने टेंस हैं तो उसने ऑलरेडी 10 लिख कर दिया है, इसका मतलब हम लोग 1 0 कट करते हैं और जो लेफ्ट होता है वो हमारा एक्चुअली ब्लैंक का आंसर होता है 10 10,000। उसी तरह मिलियंस में अगर पूछा है सो 1 मिलियंस यहाँ पे आता है, उसने बोला है डैश 100,000। सो थाउजेंड्स के कॉलम में हम लोग सिर्फ यहाँ से यहाँ तक ही देखेंगे और उसमें 100,000 बोला डैश 100,000 यानी 100 लिख कर दिया है तो हम 2 जीरोस कट कर देंगे, जो बचा हुआ जीरो है दैट मेक्स 110। तो हमारा यहाँ का आंसर आएगा 10 hundreds thousands। अब आते हैं 1 करोड़ इज इक्वल्स टू डैश 10 lakhs। अब हमें ऑलरेडी एक 10 मिला हुआ है, लाख तक में रुक जाना है, तो हम लिखते हैं 1 करोड़। करोड़ यानी हम इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम में है, मैं यहाँ का एक बॉक्स यूज़ करती हूँ जो कि लिखती हूँ मैं करोड़ में 1 करोड़ और रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या होंगे, जीरोज होंगे, लिख दिए। अब हमें इसने पूछा है 1 करोड़ इज इक्वल्स टू डैश 10 lakhs यानी हमें इस लाख के कॉलम को ही देखना है और इस में से हमें 10 लाख लिख के दिया है यानी हम एक जीरो कट कर देते हैं, तो क्या बचा, हमारे पास बचा है टेंस यानी यह है 10 lakhs। क्या है 10 lakhs। Understood student? This is how we are going to do it. Again 1 crore is equals to dash millions। अब हमें इसको हमारे करोर्स को मिलियन से कंपेयर करना है। सो 1 करोड़ हम वही मन में नीचे लिखेंगे इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में और ये 1 करोड़ एक्चुअली किसके इक्वल होता है, 10 मिलियंस के इक्वल होता है। किसके इक्वल होता है, देखिए मिलियंस बोला ना यानी हम यहाँ रुक जाएंगे। सो 1 करोड़ इज एक्चुअली 10 मिलियंस, तो हम यहाँ लिखते हैं 10 मिलियंस। उसी तरह 1 मिलियन इज इक्वल्स टू डैश लैक्स, तो हम फिर से इसको कंपेयर करते हैं 1 मिलियन, तो हम मिलियन का कॉलम ये रहा, 1 है 1 डिजिट का है तो पहले वाले ही प्लेस वैल्यू में होगा क्योंकि मिलियन के पास इंटरनेशनल में 3 प्लेस वैल्यूज होती हैं, वंस, टेंस और 100। हमें सिर्फ 1 दिया गया है, इसका मतलब हम लोग वंस वाले मिलियन में होंगे। 1 मिलियन इज इक्वल टू डैश लाख, तो अगर हम ऊपर देखें तो 1 मिलियन इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम से हम अगर इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम में जाते हैं तो वो 1 यहाँ दिखेगा हमें और ये है हमारा 10 lakhs। सो 1 मिलियन इज एक्चुअली इक्वल्स टू द लैक्स दैट इज 10 lakh, जो 10 की पोजीशन पर आता है। सो वी विल राइट हियर 1 मिलियन इज इक्वल टू 10 lakh। I hope student you understood very well that how you are going to do it. Students, in the examination also you may do such rough works. I suggest that definitely do this kind of things in your rough work or you may show it as a method. I am going to give the marks. So when you are very clear with these place values, definitely you are not going to make any mistake and you are going to score all total marks. Okay students, now we are going to go on our question number 2. Question number 2 is place commas correctly and write the numerals. You have to place the commas correctly and write the numerals. For this student, I am again going to show you that how the commas are placed in both the systems. Indian numeration system and international numeration system. Okay, first of all, whenever it is not mentioned that whether you have to write Indian or international, definitely you will write only and only Indian. अगर आपको already question में ये चीज़ नहीं बताई गई है, mention नहीं की गई है कि आपको सिर्फ न्यूमरल लिखने के लिए आपको कह दिया गया है, आपको ये नहीं कहा कि इंडियन सिस्टम से लिखना है या इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम से लिखना है, तो स्टूडेंट्स आप कौन से वाले सिस्टम से लिखेंगे, आप कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे, राइट। सो आप ये कंफ्यूजन को दूर कर दीजिए। जब भी आपको ऐसा कहा गया हो, प्लीज पुट द कॉमास एंड राइट इन द न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम। सो अब डेफिनेटली आप इंडियन और इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम में ही लिखेंगे, राइट। इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम में लिखने के लिए हमारे पास 1, 10 और 100 और फिर कॉमा आता है, फिर आते हैं हमारे पास 1000 और 10,000 और फिर कॉमा आता है, फिर आते हैं लाख और 10 लाख और फिर कॉमा आता है, फिर आता है करोड़ और 10 करोड़ और फिर कॉमा आता है, राइट। सो अगर यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है तो हम अर्लियर में कॉमास नहीं डालेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स आप देखें, इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम में फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट के बाद कॉमा होता है और बाद में 2 डिजिट्स के बाद कॉमा प्लेस किए जाते हैं, ये कब होता है? इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम में। ये हम इंडिविजुअली बोलते हैं, हंड्रेड्स को, टेंस को, वंस को। इस ग्रुप को हम थाउजेंड्स में बोल के दिखाएंगे, इस ग्रुप को हम लाख में बोल के दिखाएंगे, आई मीन लिख के बताएंगे, और इस ग्रुप को हम करोड़ में लिख कर दिखाएंगे। अब सपोज यहाँ पर हम लोगों को एक नंबर दे दिया जाता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 27911508। तो आप देखें, आप सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, आप कॉमास डाल देंगे। अब आपको ये याद होना चाहिए कि ये 100 टेंस और वंस हैं, ये है 1000 का कॉलम और ये है लाख का कॉलम। ठीक है, अगर लाख का कॉलम है तो हम लिखेंगे 27 लाख, क्योंकि पहले दो हम लाख में गिनते हैं, सी। उसके बाद वाला जो कॉलम में जो भी नंबर होगा हम एक साथ बोलेंगे थाउजेंड्स के लिए। तो उसके बाजू में जो दो नंबर हैं वो है 91, तो हम उसे कहेंगे 91 क्या? थाउजेंड्स। तो हम वैसे ही लिखेंगे 91 थाउजेंड्स। और फिर हंड्रेड्स इकलौता एक ऐसा प्लेस वैल्यू है जो इंडिविजुअल ही बोला जाता है, तो जो भी 100 के प्लेस पर होगा वो हम बोलेंगे 5, तो हम कहेंगे 500, एंड द रेस्ट इज, अगर 2 डिजिट का नंबर है तो 15, 28, 34, 79 ऐसा बोला जाएगा। बट अगर टेंस की पोजीशन पर 0 है तो वो 0 की हम प्लेस वैल्यू कभी नहीं लिखते, हम सीधा लिखेंगे 8, and the numeration is completed. Okay students, so now you are going to get the numerals, that means the number names written, and then you are going to write them in the new numbers with the commas. So that how you are going to do, just see. This is your 73,75,307. What I do, I suggest you students, definitely you are going to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. Now put them, see whatever lakh is there, under this you have these two numbers, 73 lakh. So the lakh column is this. These two numbers are for, these two place values are for lakhs, and we have two numbers 73. So we are going to write 73 in the section of lakh. Then we have thousands. For thousands you have 75 under thousands. So 1000 का सेक्शन ये रहा 1000 का सेक्शन। इसमें भी 2 प्लेस वैल्यूज होती हैं, 2 जगहें होती हैं, हम वहाँ लिखेंगे 75। तो एक बॉक्स में लिख देंगे 7, दूसरे बॉक्स में 5, 75 ऐसा होना चाहिए। अगर आप 5 पहले लिख दोगे 7 बाद में तो वो 57 हो जाएगा। सो बी केयरफुल इन राइटिंग वॉट एवर इज रिटन प्रॉपरली। नाउ कम्स द कॉलम ऑफ 100 विच इज़ ओनली 1 डिजिट। सो एक ही नंबर दिया होगा 100 के लिए। So this is our hundreds one box which is having only 3 in it, because here it is written 3 as sections of 100, 3 in the place value of 100, and then you have 7. That means 2 जो जगह बचती है उसमें सिर्फ 7 बचा है, यानी टेंस की पोजीशन पर कोई नंबर नहीं है, सिर्फ 7 है ना, तो वो वंस में आएगा। तो ये जगह पर खाली बच जाता है, तो जो खाली बच जाए वहाँ पर आप डाल दो 0। तो आपका आंसर अब क्या होगा? अब आप आंसर लिखिए 7375307, और क्वेश्चन ने पूछा है प्लेस कॉमास करेक्टली, तो हम प्लेस कॉमास करेंगे, इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम है। सो 3, 2 एंड द रेस्ट। सो दिस इज योर आंसर। स्टूडेंट्स, यू अंडरस्टूड दिस, हाउ टू डू इट? वेरी गुड। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, I suggest every time go for such kind of place value so that you may get the very correct number. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Now we know we have crore section 2 digits, lakh section 2 digit, 1000 section 2 digit, hundreds 1 digit, and tens and ones are apart. Now we are going to write 9, crore. So in crore section we have only 9. So 2 boxes are there. Definitely you are going to write 9 here or here. अगर आप 9 यहाँ लिखते हैं तो यहाँ 0 हो जाएगा, तो 90 करोड़ होगा. 90 करोड़ नहीं चाहिए, हमें 0 पहले प्लेस करना है, बाद में नहीं. फर्स्ट 0 इज नॉट काउंटेड, यानी हम 9 यहाँ लिख देते हैं. नाउ कम्स 5 लाख, यानी लाख के कॉलम में ओनली 5 है. सो लाख का कॉलम ये रहा, यहाँ पर भी 2 डिजिट है. 2 डिजिट में अगर हम यहाँ 5 लिखेंगे और यहाँ 0 तो 5 0 50 हो जाएगा. हमें ऐसा नहीं करना, हमें पहले 0 बाद में 5, ताकि वो 0 5 को हम क्या कह सके, ओनली 5. नाउ कम्स 41. इट इज ओनली 41. यहाँ पर ना थाउजेंड्स हैं ना हंड्रेड्स हैं, कुछ नहीं लिखा. दिस इज द लास्ट 2 नंबर्स 41. दैट मीन्स 4 in tens and 1 in ones. 41. Now the rest of all places are empty. So what we are going to do? We are going to put the zeros in that empty sections, empty places. Now students, we can write the answer properly. The number is 9 0 5 0 0 0 4 1. And as the question is asking you to put the commas correctly, put first 3 digits, after that 1 comma, then 2 digits 1 comma, again 2 digits 1 comma, and this is your final answer. I hope students you understood this thing very nicely. Okay students, now let us go on to the next question, number 3. This is 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. So what I said, put the positions, put the place values and make the sections. You will be easily writing the number 100% correctly. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So we have the sections like this, in which 2 boxes we can place. Here 2 box, here 2 box, and here 2 box. Now let us put the number. It is 7 crore. So here or here, it is only 7. So 0 7, that means we are going to start our number here. This position is empty. We are not going to consider the very first empty. Okay. 52 lakh. So under the lakh, we have 2 places for 50 and 2. 52 lakh. Then comes 21,000. So under 1,000 you have 2 and 1. 21,000s. 300. So under the column of 100, you will put 3. Now tens and ones left. For that we must have 2 digit here. See, but it is only 2. Only 2, that means we don't have any number in the position of 10. So we are going to put 0. And only 2 is actually only the position of 1s. So we are ready to write the answer now. The number is 7 5 2 2 1 3 0 2. Now we are also asked to put the commas correctly. So after first 3 digits, from counting from right to left, okay, 1 2 3 like that, 1 comma, then after 2 digit 1 comma, then after 2 digit 1 comma, and here is the answer. I hope student you have followed it. Student, the next question is D, where it is written 58,423,202. Now as it is million, we know that this is an international numeration system. So when it is given to you only system, means only numerals, but it is not asked that whether you have to write in Indian or international. Definitely with these kinds of nouns you may come to know that million never comes in Indian numeration system. Million is a word which is used in international system of numeration. So definitely whatever numbers we are going to write according to the international numeration system, and we are going to put the commas also according to the international system of numeration. So let us first write down the columns which I am telling you: ones, tens and hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. As I told you that in international system, the 1000 column does not get end on tens, but it has one more that is called as 100. So international system is having 3 places or 3 digits, 3 positions for the thousands. And then comes million, 10 million, 100 million. Right? So this is how international numeration system is there. We are going to put the boxes here. See, it will be 3 boxes in millions, then 3 boxes under thousands, 100, and the rest of all are tens and ones. So let us start putting the numbers accordingly. It is 58 million. That means 50, that means 5. 8 means 8, that means 5, 8 under millions. So million is having 3 boxes. That means 100 position is empty. We are going to write 58 in the section of millions. We have 423 thousands. So for thousands we have 3 numbers. 400, that means 4 from 1. 20 means tens and 3 means ones. That means 4, 2, 3 under thousands. So we have 3 places. We have 3 numbers. 423 thousands. Understood, student? So this is 423 thousands. Then comes 200. That means under 100 you have only one number, that is 2, and 100 is having only one digit place value only. And the last number is 2. That means no tens are there. We have only ones, that is 2. Understood, student? This is how we are going to write. Now we are going to write it in proper form as 5, 8, 4, 2, 3, 2, 0, 2. Now we are going to put the commas. In international numeration system, the commas are after 3 numbers. So put 3, count 3 and put commas. What will happen if you are going to put 2 commas? Then if 2 commas are there, you are going to read them as 23,084 lakh, and that is completely wrong according to international system. We are not given the numeral, the number names in Indian system. They are being provided to you in international system. So you have to write the numerals, that is the numbers, in international system. Okay, students. Now let us go on the last sum of second question. 23 lakh 30,010. Now here lakh comes. With this noun you comes to know that yes, this number name is from the Indian numeration system. So we are going to put the boxes according to Indian numeration system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, TTH, that is 10,000, you have lakh and 10 lakh. And put the sections. This is the section of lakh, which is having 2 place values. This is the section of 1000, which is having 2 place values. This is 100, which is having 1 place value, and these are tens and ones again, which are having 2 place values. Now we are going to put accordingly. This is 23 lakh. So under lakh 2 places, and the number are also given to us 2, that is 2, 3, 23. Now comes thousands. Thousands is mentioned as 30,000. 30 comes. that means 3 and 0, 2 place values and 2 numbers provided to us, so all filled. 10, that means no 100 is there, it is only 10 and 10 comes as 1 tens, so no ones are there, it will be 0. And you can see from last also it is seen as 10, 1 0 is 10. Okay, so this is how we have written. Now it is finally answered like this: 2, 3, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now put the commas. Okay student, so this is how the systems are written. You may use this technique as a method so that you won't make any kind of mistakes in writing these 1 marks questions. Okay student, now let us move ahead. You have insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Here it is mentioned to you that you have to write them in the form of Indian numeration system. So first of all, the question is given to you without commas. So put commas. In Indian numeration system, after first 3 digits, 2 digits pairing is done and the commas are put. So see, I have put the commas. Now we are going to write them. Now this is 100, tens 1. This section is of 1000. This section is of lakh. And this is of crore. So now we are going to write in number names form. This is 8 crore. This is 75 lakh. L stands for lakh. This is 95 under 1000. So this is 95,000. This is 700. And this is 62. I hope student you understood how you are going to do it, right? Now let us go for the next one. This is also Indian numeration system, question number B. So count first 3, put comma, then 2, put comma, and then. As you can see, this is 1, this is tens, this is 100. This section is of 1000 and this section is of lakh. So how we are going to write? We are going to write 85 lakh. $46,000, $283. So you have put the commas also and you have written in the form of new number names also according to the Indian numeration system. Now student, here are the 2 questions which is homework for you to be done. Okay student, this is put comma here, you put comma here, this put comma here and you are going to write it down. Okay. Now the next question is insert commas suitably and write the names according to, yes, International System of Numeration. So students, now you are going to put the commas according to International System and you are going to write the number names also according to the International System. International System is having only one theory, comma after 3 digits. So first 3 are same as Indian, ones, tens, 100. This is the column of 1000 which is spoken as 921,000 and this is the column of millions, right? So 78 millions. So we are going to begin writing from million side. Let us write down. 78,921,000 See, there is no 100. So we are not going to write also. We are going to just write this 92. So this is how you are going to write the international numeration system, in which you are going to put the commas properly and you are going to write in proper number names. Let us go for the next question. First 3 digits, put 1 comma. Another 3 digits, put 1 comma. We know this is 100, this is tens, this is ones. These 3 numbers are coming under thousands, and this is million. So we have only one number under million, that is 7. So let us start writing from this side. 7 million 452,000. We are going to speak them in the form of 3 numbers. Yes, of course, the 100 is coming here. We know 100 position is here. But then also it is coming here. Why? Because this is which 100? This is thousands sections 100. ये 1000 के section का 100 वाला position है. ठीक है? So this is 452,000. Now comes this. This 100 is spoken alone, that is 200. And this is 83, that means 8 tens and 3 ones, so 83. Okay students, now after that you have question C and D, which is homework for you. Okay students, up till now exercise 1.1 we had completed. I hope you have understood all thoroughly. I hope you are going to complete your work on time and you are going to keep your books also ready. Okay students, we are going to meet soon with another exercise. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.